Hello students, today we will discuss about the module 3 of the subject Design and Analysis of Algorithms, and the name of the module is Greedy Method. So the contents of module 3 are, it has 5 main topics, and those are the greedy method, minimum cost spanning trees, single source shortest paths, optimal tree problem, and transform and conquer approach. So today we will discuss about the greedy method, the first subtopic in the greedy method topic, that is the general method. So the general method. So greedy method is the most straightforward design technique which can be applied to a wide variety of problems. So basically speaking, different problems require different kinds of techniques. So we need to select a technique based on the problem type. Some of the commonly used techniques are, for example, we can have divide and conquer, and the best example for divide and conquer is merge sort, quick sort, which you all have already studied in module 2. The second technique may be dynamic programming, and the best example is insertion sort. And then we have greedy techniques or greedy algorithms, and some of the examples are Kruskal's algorithm, Prim's algorithm, etc., which will be studying further in this particular topic. So basically all the problems have n inputs, and it requires to obtain a subset that satisfies some constraints. So any subset that satisfies these constraints is called as a feasible solution. So we have to find a feasible solution that either maximizes or minimizes the given objective function, and the feasible solution that does this activity is called as optimal solution. So generally speaking, a greedy technique uses iterative or recursive approach to solve an optimization problem and selects an optimal solution. So a greedy algorithm obtains an optimal solution by making a sequence of decisions. So a decision is made regarding whether a particular input is an optimal solution or no, and whether it is capable or no, and the decisions are made by one using a greedy criterion, and a decision once made is usually not changed later. So the greedy algorithm has one shot to compute the optimal solution so that it never goes back and reverses the decision. So let us consider a basic algorithm example. Okay, so that is a greedy method control abstraction for the subset paradigm. So here we have the algorithm, and the name of the algorithm they have taken it as a greedy. So it has parameters a and n, whereas a contains n number of inputs. So the solution, initially the solution is initialized to 0. So it tells that the function select, here the function select selects an input from a or the array a and removes it. So the selected input's value is assigned to x. So there we have a function called as feasible, and this function is nothing but it is a boolean valued function that determines whether this x can be included into the solution vector or not. If so, if this condition is satisfied, then the union function combines x with the solution and updates the objective function. So we return the solution. So basically here a feasible solution which optimizes the best possible solution is called as the optimal solution, and it is added onto the objective function. Objective function is nothing but it maximizes or minimizes the given criteria or a given problem. So this was about the general method of a greedy technique. So in the next class we will see some problems based regarding this module. Thank you.